In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Google Drive link and even show you how to make it more user-friendly. Sharing files and folders on Google Drive is a powerful way to collaborate and share information, whether with friends or colleagues. So let's dive right in and cover everything you need to know. To start, open up your Google Drive and navigate to the file or folder that you want to share. Once you've found what you are looking for, right-click on it. You'll see an option that says Get Link. Go ahead and select that. Now, this is where you decide how public or private you want your file to be. You have two primary choices here. The first option is restricted, which means that only people you specifically invite will have access. This is great for when you need to keep things private. The other choice is to allow anyone with the link to view it. This is ideal for broader sharing, like a project your whole team needs access to. After you've decided on the access level, you'll want to copy the link. Don't be surprised if it looks a bit long at first. The link might look something like this: https://drive.google.com/file D1XYZ, and that's perfectly fine for now. Now, moving on to the current updates, you may notice that Google Drive sometimes automatically provides a shortened link when you copy it, such as https://drive.google.com/open IDXXXX. This can make sharing a bit easier, but if it doesn't show up automatically, don't worry, because there are handy tools for shortening it further. If shortening the link feels necessary, there are several free link shorteners you can use. Once you have your Google Drive link, head over to trusted services like Bitly, TinyURL, or Rebrandly. Simply paste your link into one of these sites to transform it into something shorter. Imagine turning a lengthy link like https://drive.google.com our file D1XYZ123456789 view SP sharing into a neat, compact address like bit.always drive file 2025. For those of you using Google Workspace, specifically if you're operating under a business account, you actually have the ability to go one step further. You can create custom domain shorteners. Think of them as personalized URLs that could look something like files.yourcompany.com/project. These custom links not only make sharing easy, but also add a professional touch. Plus, if you're interested in keeping track of who's opening your links and when, some advanced services like Bitly Pro or Rebrandly provide analytics options. So, there you have it. From generating your Google Drive link to customizing and tracking it, you're now equipped with the tools to share your files effectively. Happy sharing!